MCQS1. Very small time intervals are accurately measured by the A. Pulsars, B. White dwarfs, C. Atomic clocks, D. None of these. The answer is C. Atomic clocks. MCQS2. Which of the following is a ferromagnetic material? A. Tungsten, B. Aluminium, C. Copper, D. Nickel. The answer is D. Nickel. MCQS3. The luster of diamond is due to A. Reflection, B. Total internal reflection, C. Refraction, D. None of these. The answer is B. Total internal reflection. MCQS4. Enology is the study of A. Wine, B. Digestion, C. Kidneys, D. None. The answer is A. Wine. MCQS5. Which creature is the symbol of medicine? A. Cat, B. Lizard, C. Snake, D. None of these. The answer is C. Snake. MCQS6. The protein content in wheat is approximately A. 8%, B. 6%, C. 13%, D. 17%. The answer is C. 13%. MCQS7. The olfactory nerves affect what sense in brain? A. Smell, B. Feel, C. Touch, D. Hear. The answer is A. Smell. MCQS8. Red plus green plus blue equals A. Maroon, B. White, C. Black, D. None of the above. The answer is B. White. MCQS9. Which human hormone is called love hormone? A. Oxytocin, B. Melatonin, C. Adrenaline, D. Renin. The answer is A. Oxytocin. MCQS10. Earth is divided into following three layers: A. Crust, mountains, oceans, B. Crust, mantle, trenches, C. Trenches, mountains, core, D. Crust, mantle, core. The answer is D. Crust, mantle, core.